I'm going to show you how you can install and use mods for Cuphead on PC in less than a minute. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So the process is very simple. All you need to do is go to this website. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, and then you need to create an account here. So in my case, I have one already. So you can just search for any mod you want. As you can see, you can have health bars for every boss fight you want, an assist mode that will make the game easier. It will give you more health. It will boost the weapon damage. You can also install this debug mod that will allow you to have infinite health, fight any boss, and much more. You can see there are a lot of different mods. You can also even download like new weapons like this one. So in my case, I'm gonna download this one to have health bars on boss fights. So just click it, go to download right here, click there and select the slow download, which is free. So it will take a few seconds to download the mod, and then we will have it ready. So I'm gonna save it right here. And now we need to copy this file into our Cuphead root folder. So to find that folder, you need to go to Steam, then go to your library, and right here you need to search for Cuphead. So once you find it, you need to right click it, go to Manage and browse local files. So this will open the Cuphead root folder where you need to drag the file. So click the file and drag it into this folder. After that, you need to extract the files right here. But before doing that, what I recommend you to do is create a backup of Cuphead if you want to. So this is because some mods are kinda difficult to uninstall. So I recommend you to create a backup if you want to. You just need to copy the Cuphead folder and paste it again. So in my case, I'm not gonna do it because this mod is very easy to uninstall. I'm gonna show you how you can do that later. So I'm just gonna right click it and extract here. Now it will extract all the files, and now I can open Cuphead and I will see the install mod. So that's it. Now as you can see, there is a progress bar or like a health bar at the top right of the screen, and that's it. So in this case, it's because I installed the health bar mod, but that will obviously change depending on the mod that you have installed. So now that we have installed our mod, I'm going to show you how you can delete this one. So I'm gonna close the game real quick. And to uninstall this specific mod, you need to, if you go to the Nexus mods site, you will find the steps you need to follow. So you just need to delete this file and this folder. So it's very easy. But as I told you, there are some mods that are harder to uninstall. So what you can do is create a copy of this folder. So after you install mods, you just need to make sure to drag all the files from the backup to Cuphead. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.